Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Division 101 coding tutorial. Okay, so this time we are going to solve some puzzle, particularly in grade 5, lesson number 3, puzzle number 7. Okay, so are you ready now? Can we start? Okay, let's start. Let's do it. So lesson 3 is all about Alien Dance Party with Sprite Lab, and we'll be solving puzzle number 7. So click puzzle number 7. So before we start our puzzle, how to solve it, we need to read our instruction. So here it says that these aliens are running wild. Let's calm them down by ringing the bell. So first we need to add one bell so that they will stop. Okay, then first add a new sprite that looks like a bell. So click new sprite, click it here, new sprite, so it looks like a bell here. So remember that when we click this bell, all these 3 aliens will stop. Are you with me? Okay, now then add an event that makes its alien stop dancing when the bell is clicked using stop everything. So in the event, okay, so when it click here, I will put it here now so that you can see everything is there. So when it click, what click? The bell. So this is the bell now, right? So when it click, everything, these 3 alien will stop. So what is the behavior? Stop everything. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Understand? So when the bell is click, okay, the first alien will stop, the pink alien also will stop, and the yellow alien also will stop. Okay, let's try. So you can see, so we only add here one sprite, okay, and also this one. When the bell is click, blue alien will stop, pink alien will stop, and yellow alien will stop. Let's try. Let's run. So it's moving now, right? So when we click this one, the bell, all the 3 alien is stopped. Okay? So you need to see the replay. Okay, let's reset. So this one is moving. When I click run, these 3 aliens will move. But when I click the bell, it will stop. Okay? Okay. I will make it bigger for you. Let's run. They're moving, right? But when I click this bell, okay, this stop. So that is how to solve, and we are complete our lesson 3, puzzle number 7. So enjoy solving some problems in our lesson and watch for our next video tutorial. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, Division 101. Till next time.